Here we are on the 7th day of the Dubai International Film Festival. We are at Al Castle for the press junket. We got a chance to catch up with the director of the last poem, Suman Mukhopadhyay. Here's what he had to say.
This film is based on a very famous novel by Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate from India. And this novel was written in his very later half of his life, almost the last part of his life, and it's basically a love story which is set in a very idyllic background of Shillong and Meghalaya, and actually what inspired me to film this novel is that firstly this was kind of an iconic novel which was with us while we were growing up as youngsters, and all the letters, love letters, and all the good letters we used to write that time was quoting from that novel, and the entire generation was obsessed with this novel because of its fantastic quotes and poetry. This novel has certain global sensibility which is still contemporary, which still can work, because the relation between man and woman in contemporary society and what was reflected in that novel by Tagore has very strong, contemporary connections. So I think that why not tell this strange love story which never ends up in a kind of that both the lovers, the Amit Ray and Lavanya, they decided themselves not to marry, not to come together as a couple. So they married different person, and this is a very strange, weird ending of any story I've ever heard in the world literature. The most important challenge is, of course, doing Tagore. The Tagore, always have, especially the Bengalis, have their own perception. Everybody have their own perception of Tagore. Everybody has an individual Tagore, and they shape their characters, storylines according to that. So that was the primary challenge, but that is only for the Bengali audience all over the world. But there is a lot of other cinema audience, the world cinema audience. So I think that this film will be negotiated to do different perspectives. When the Bengalis will see the film, they have a different perspective because they know the novel, they know the Bengali culture or the characters, and the world cinema will see this novel from a very different perspective. To bring out the lyricism of the novel, the poetry, and how to actually cinematically transform that, so the first difficult thing was negotiating with Tagore, then to also the kind of to sculpt out the script of the novel, because novel is quite huge, have a lot of agendas, a lot of other issues were dealt in the novel. So I think that first to sculpt out the script and then to find the right actors and the right team. So I think that I can really congratulate myself that I was done a right kind of casting with Lavanya, Konkona is doing fabulously done. Rahul has done the Amit Ray. I think he's done a very good job, and all the other characters, even the entire technical crew. Few people who have seen the film, including the cast and the crew, they're of course the part of the crew, but still, I think they have liked the film, and now it will open to the audience, and I'm hoping for the best.
With camera person Rahul Menon, this is Christine Chervian reporting for Manipal Dubai TV.